Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, Two of Cups, Page of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, the Hierophant, the Lovers, Three of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Tower, and the Two of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, the Fool card. Somebody wants to rebuild, I think, start again. There's a very strong soulmate connection here, but maybe one person is a bit upset in this connection right now, while their partner is kind of spying on them, trying to figure out, if they're okay or what's going on. This is a strong commitment. This is like a very strong commitment. I have the Two of Cups, Hierophant, and the Lovers card, but there's been a bit of heartbreak here. Somebody wants to clear the air from what I feel, Aquarius. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards, okay? So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Aquarius, any of you looking for a personal read, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay. Let's take a few more Aquarius from another deck. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here. Good to go. Let's start your reading, Aquarius. The first one says here, I'm under so much stress. Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I've wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed. If this is this Queen of Pentacles saying that, please don't worry. Your person has their eyes firmly set on you. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, your intentions don't align with your actions. I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. I think that direct conversation is coming, Aquarius. Somebody does want to have a direct and transparent conversation with their partner. I've moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. I'm your not-so-secret admirer. You know that I'm always checking on you. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire, waiting for you. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. All right, so Aquarius, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So my angels, what do you have for Aquarius? blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, believe. Yeah, somebody is kind of giving up their, faith and belief in this commitment, but Spirit is saying believe. Don't focus too much on the heartbreak. I think things are going to get fine. There is a new beginning coming. So let's start with the reading. What's this Two of Cups, Spirit? Two of Cups. Very strong bond, very strong connection, which is clarified, my Aquarius gang, with the Two of Cups. My God, this is from another deck. The Two of Cups is clarified by the Two of Cups. Now that's amazing, isn't it? But Spirit, that was of no help to me. Could you please give me a clarifier? What is this Two of Cups? Two of Cups. Two of Cups, Spirit. Soon it'll be revealed, or if it hasn't been revealed already, somebody wants a reunion. I think somebody doesn't want to keep any more secrets, like this card said. Where was it? Yeah, I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul. Somebody wants to open up. They feel a very, very strong connection. They want either their partner to return or they want to return because they want to reconcile. This is like straight and simple. I want to open up to you once again. You are my person. I want this connection to be returned back to its rightful place. And let's just celebrate life. Let's just get back together again. So what happened here, Spirit? Page of Swords. Page of Swords. What's this Page of Swords, Spirit? Some lies got caught, or somebody did something sneaky. Maybe things kind of came to a temporary ending here, Aquarius. But the person, I think, who got left behind is still got their eye on their person. They want to end the fight. Let's just end the fight already. They're waiting and watching. They feel their person is very upset with them. Again, see, end blocking me, end fighting with me. Queen of Cups in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Somebody wants to communicate. They want to go and speak their truth, have a clear, concise conversation. They're not very happy that things have ended and they're feeling quite destroyed because their queen is in reverse at the moment. Maybe not talking to them, maybe upset with them, but this King of Swords wants to go and have some clear communication, just clear the air basically, and say, hey, listen, let's just end the fight and why don't you come back? Because we are meant to be. Queen of Pentacles, why are you in reverse? Why is the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Queen of Pentacles is upset. They are feeling very bad about something which happened in the past. They feel this is not making my emotional needs met. I want my person to be more emotionally more open with me. Maybe they're just too stern. Maybe they're just too head over heart all the time. I want my person to be emotionally more open with me. Whatever has happened in the past, I think if this Queen of Pentacles also has some regrets and sorrow for the way it went down. They are also feeling very ungrounded without their person. They are actually waiting for their person to come and be emotionally open with them or something like that. This is a very strong commitment. Hierophant. What's this Hierophant, Spirit? Yeah, somebody is waiting. Somebody is waiting here. One more for the Hierophant. One more. It could also be that, oh my God, Spirit, this is not being helpful at all. You can't give me repeating cards. Hierophant is clarified by the Hierophant. One more. Okay, so somebody is a little upset and angry, I'll be honest. It's, I think, this Queen of Pentacles person who's now showing up as the Queen of Swords. Yes, they are committed. This is a committed, very strong connection, but they are upset and angry with their person because they feel a bit rejected by them, maybe, or bored, or not taken into consideration. They feel my person is not very stable, maybe emotionally, financially, I don't know. They feel my person is always out and about and chasing their own dreams, and they don't really kind of honor this commitment. They don't invest in this connection. Yes, there's not enough time, effort, energy that they spend with me. So what's this lovers then, Spirit? What's this lovers? What's the story here? Why is that in the center of my spread? So somebody is making a choice. Somebody is making a choice to take action. I think there's a lot of passion here still. One more. Lovers. I think maybe this queen, yeah, this queen may also feel that their person probably has a roving eye, that could be hurting them. That could be the reason of a broken heart here. They feel my person's time and attention is always diverted here and there. Yes, maybe they're breadcrumbing or giving to more than one, and that kind of breaks their heart. Now, it doesn't have to mean that they're giving to another person. It could be that they're giving to their video games or their parents or their business or something like that, following their own passions without considering their person. So Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. Somebody is holding back. Yes, somebody is holding back, having sleepless nights, feeling really not being able to sleep very well at night, feeling heartbroken. But wishing and hoping. What's this, Spirit? What are they wishing and hoping for? Justice. Yes, somebody is still holding on to the hope that, if I hold back a little bit, maybe, their wishes will come true and some justice will be brought to this connection. But I do see somebody wanting to come with some communication. What's this Ace of Swords, Spirit? Oh, this is an Empress. This is an Empress here. You don't mess with an Empress. Yeah, somebody is scared now. Yes, they are obsessed with this Empress. Don't worry, Queen of Pentacles, you're showing up as the Empress. Somebody is coming to have some talks to clear the air. They are a bit scared, yes, but they do want a renewal, a rebirth. They want to rebuild this tower that has happened. Maybe they haven't apologized yet, but they are coming. They're feeling a bit stuck. Yes, because of the fight. But they know they have to make a choice. They have to make a decision. They know that this feminine is very upset with them after this fight that's happened, this argument, and they are not feeling very happy either. But they don't want their stability to be disrupted. I think both of you are feeling rather heartbroken at the moment, Aquarius. But somebody here is going to stop, going back and forth in their mind. There is some decision that's getting made. What's this Two of Pentacles, Spirit? In reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Two of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, somebody is making a choice to... They've been watching and waiting for the right time to come. Maybe, yes, they are recognizing what they've done. They're feeling embarrassed and ashamed of their actions now. Maybe they said something really mean, or it was their way or the highway, or they kind of belittled this Empress. They are feeling also quite unloved at the moment. This person has a funny way of showing their emotions, probably. So they're feeling rather embarrassed of their own actions. They have been waiting for their chance, waiting and watching. I think this person is going to soon come in with an offer to let's start again. Let's start from scratch. Let's have this new beginning. Okay. So what's this Fool card, Spirit? It was overall energy of our reading. What's this Fool card? What's this Fool card? One more. Yes, whatever time you guys have spent apart, maybe, or separated, this person definitely wants to come back. They don't want to see any stoppage or halt to their stability. Like, this is what this person's been thinking. Oh my God, if I don't go rush towards my person, I'm going to lose my stability. So whatever time this person has got, they've realized what they've done. They are embarrassed, ashamed of maybe their own behavior, of the way they've behaved maybe in the past. This person is coming back for sure. They're coming back for sure, and they're going to request their person, hey, let's start again. I'm sorry, let's begin again. They've just been waiting for the right time to maybe come and make things right. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. If it worked, do let me know. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.